Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Shawnee, and I am back with another Dollar Tree haul. So this Dollar Tree haul was supposed to be a part of my most recent video, which was a vlog. I ended up not realizing I wasn't recording, so here we are right now. I originally went to Dollar Tree to look for Cricut things. The Crafter Square brand has Cricut vinyl and all sorts of things that people have been finding at their Dollar Trees. Didn't find it at mine, but it wasn't a disappointing haul, to say the least. So the first thing I got was this what's it called? These Hosley Aromatherapy incense gift set. This is the Vitality incense. I hope you guys can see that. And this is eucalyptus and thyme. And the cool thing about this was it comes with an incense holder. And usually these incense don't come with that. And I love this color too, so you guys can see that. Really pretty. And yeah, never seen that before, and they smell really, really good. So of course, I always got to get a cookout lighter. We've been cooking on the grill a lot lately, so decided to go ahead and get that. The next thing I got is some of these LA Colors lashes. These are in black, and they're the Diva. I've never gotten this brand before, but I wanted to try it because they didn't have the Ioni ones that I was looking for. I think I showed you guys before the Ioni ones that I really, really want, but they didn't have them, so didn't end up getting those, which is kind of disappointing. But next I got these Jot scented markers for packaging orders and stuff like that. Want to try something new. And I also got these gel pens, also by Jot. I don't think these are scented, but these are just different than the usual ones that I have because I like to write packing stuff with those. Then I got some packing tape. Can never have too much of that. Mostly got that because I have some things I'm going to be sending off really soon, so that's why I got that. Then I got this Pond's, what is this? It's Pond's Light Moisturizer. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but it's like a, it has vitamin E and glycerin. I want to try this. I've never tried the Pond's version before, but I ran out of my, well, I didn't run out. Oh, it smells good. I misplaced my e.l.f. Hello Holy Hydration face cream, so I want to try this one to see how this works out. Next thing I got, I saw these on Instagram, and I saw these in Dollar Tree, and I was so happy. But these containers, I got two of them. These little honeycomb containers, in black and white. Obviously, they have these gold lids, and they're so pretty. You can see the honeycomb like design on them. Saw so many people had these. I should have gotten 3. I should have gotten maybe another black one. Hopefully I don't break those, but I was so excited to find those because, you know, I love some good decor. So next I got, I feel like I always get Lysol wipes whenever I go to Dollar Tree. You can never have too many Lysol wipes. Always very good to have on deck. Next, I got these Bactiv disinfectant wipes. My sister said these are good. I'm pretty sure, I don't think you can use these on the body. I think these are for surfaces. Yeah, they're for like hard surfaces, counters, floors, toilets. They kill the coronavirus that causes COVID-19, and they kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. I'd never seen these before, but my sister had them, so I said I'll give them a try. Next thing, I got more of the Allure Pore Clarifying Witch Hazel Facial Cleansing Wipes. I love to use these on my face, so it's good to see those. And what else did I get? I just got some Tylenol Extra Strength because I always forget to get these at Walmart, and they're a godsend. Every now and then I need those, so good thing I found those. Then I got this Rosy and Ready Facial Serum by Global Beauty Care. It's Rose Hip and Evening Primrose Oil. I don't know how this works, but I'm going to give it a try. I had rose oil one time before, but ran out, so we're going to see how that works. And then lastly, I got some wig caps. Obviously pretty self-explanatory. Gonna see how those work. So yeah, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Very, very, very short Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Thank you again for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.